Meaning of lift every voice and sing.
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 Lift every voice and sing. Lift Every Voice and Sing is a song often referred to as the Black National Anthem. It was originally written by James Weldon Johnson and set to music by his brother, J. Rosamond Johnson, in 1900 to celebrate Abraham Lincoln's birthday. The song's lyrics call for unity, strength, and resilience in the face of adversity, and it has become an important symbol of African American pride and perseverance. It is often performed at major events honoring the achievements of Black Americans and at the beginning of each academic year at historically Black colleges and universities.